Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Rubel's Way. There are someone to set on drink until 15 minutes behind the bar. Yes, I am talking about the famous and historical Ramos gin fizz. It was first mixed in 1888 by the phenomenal Henry Charles at his bar, the Imperial Cabinet Salon in New Orleans. But now it's time to drink in alcohol-free version. So today I will present my new drink, Spicy Creamy Fizz. So let's see how to make my today's drink. Firstly, we need 15 ml of fresh lemon juice. For balance it, 15 ml of simple syrup. Then 30 ml of coconut cream. You will see in the link how to make homemade coconut cream aromatic with cinnamon and cardamom. Then 50 ml of the protagonist of this drink is seed leaf spice. It's a non-alcoholic distillate and aromatic with cardamom and allspice. (10 ml of egg white). Add some ice cubes. And let's go to shake it. Top of sparkling water. To complete the drink, grate with a cinnamon stick. And finally, my today's drink, Spicy Creamy Fizz, is ready. It's for you. Thank you.